In today's video, I'll show you how to export appointments in Acuity scheduling step by step. If you want to analyze your booking data, create reports, or keep a backup of your schedule, exporting appointments is very useful. First, log into your Acuity scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Reports or Calendar section from the left-hand menu. This is where your appointment data is stored and managed. Now look for the option called Export Appointments or Download CSV. Click on it to open the export settings. Next, choose the date range for the appointments you want to export. You can select a single day, a week, a month, or a custom range depending on your needs. After that, you may also be able to filter by appointment type, staff member, or status if you want a more specific export. Once everything is set, click Export or Download File. Acuity will generate a file, usually in CSV format, which you can open in Excel or Google Sheets. Now download the file to your computer and open it to view all your appointment details, including client names, dates, times, and services. From here, you can sort, filter, or analyze your data for business insights or reporting purposes. Before finishing, make sure to store the file safely if it contains sensitive client information. And that's it. You've successfully exported appointments in Acuity scheduling and created a useful backup of your schedule. And that's how you export appointments in Acuity scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.